sound. Okay. But I know that there will come a time you're feeling this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in love just like a play, memorizing each line. I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special ways. You're beside me all the time. All the time. Love you and I always will. Call it mercy, but I know someday you feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines and here I am, struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart's flooded in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special ways. You're beside me all the time. Good morning po sa ating lahat. And of course, we are the R&B Side Street Band from San Nicolas. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you want it. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special ways. You're beside me all the time. All the time. All the time, all the time, all the time.
Ayan, so once again, Dawatek Man Apple Kadagite principal sponsors. Please lang po join the wedding entourage for the Grand March. Asan na po kayo? Hindi po ako mag-uumpisa kung hindi po kayo mag-join ng wedding entourage. Wedding March. So, once again, to all the principal sponsors, secondary sponsors, the parents of the groom and the bride, please lang po mag-assemble na tayo because hindi po ako mag-uumpisa if you are not all ready. So, asan po kasi yung mga bridesmaids natin and our groomsmen? Please naman po assist our principal sponsors for the Grand March. Ayan. So, I guess the R&B, the Side Street Band are ready. So, let's begin the celebration. A lovely and beautiful morning to each and everyone. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat, or shall I say, naimbag, naragsak, kinagasat, abigat tayo. Amin. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wedding reception of Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Furley Mateo. And of course, let us also celebrate the christening of their son, Mark Ethan Mateo. A warm applause to everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili. And I am Cherito Cabo Baldos, and I am your host for today. Once again, to all of you who are in attendance this morning, welcome to this wonderful affair to remember. So as they say, no relationships is all sunshine, but two people can share one umbrella and survive the storm together, isn't it? Indeed, today we have witnessed two people who never gave up on each other and remained strong amid challenges in life. Now they have chosen to seal their love with the sacred sacrament of marriage. Since today is momentous for the couple, it is just right to give them a grand entrance and our warmest welcome. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of the wedding entourage, beginning with our principal sponsor. Friends, a warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Jason Bartolome. Police Master Surgeon and Mrs. Alvin Rapanan. Barangay Chairman and Mrs. Victor Flores. Mr. and Mrs. Noel Tolentino. A warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Mario Acosta. Let's also make way to Mr. and Mrs. Winnie Corpus. A warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Simeon Batara. Let us also welcome Mr. and Mrs. Alfonso Cortez Jr. Let us also welcome retired Master Sergeant and Mrs. Arsenio R. Manuel Jr. A warm welcome to Mr. and Mrs. James Michael Ruiz. Let us also welcome Mr. and Mrs. Juan Calaykay. Miss Mildred P. Landeza. Mr. and Mrs. Rudy Palafox. Mr. and Mrs. Wilson Pahinag Jr. Sangguniang Bayan member and Dr. Jason Rubio. Miss Teresita Tabisola. Let us also welcome with a warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Max Bernard Randia. Mr. and Mrs. Reynald Ibarra. Miss Marilu M. Gloria. A warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Edwin Balungay. Of course, we have your Honorable Jonathan O. Toralba. We have also Mr. and Mrs. Roman S. Toralba. A warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Bernardo D. Garcia. Of course, we have here Mr. and Mrs. Freddy Ragmat. Let us also welcome Mr. and Mrs. Robert E. Bautista. And let us also welcome Master Sergeant and Mrs. Reynaldo Abuldo. We have also Mr. and Mrs. Ruben Balbas. A warm applause to Mr. and Mrs. Domingo Sarmiento. And our last but not least, members of the principal sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Amador Timangan Sr. At this point in time, let us welcome the secondary sponsors. Beginning with our maid of honor, Miss Angel Faith Dagupion, and our best man, Mr. Darren Jake Rubio. Our bridesmaid, we have Miss Success Diane P. Dagupion, Miss Zyril Tiffany D. Baniaga, Miss Josel G. Dagupion, and our groomsmen, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jan Aaron P. Carlos, Mr. Franz Landon Madariaga, and Mr. Zeril Mark Laporga. Let us also welcome our coin bearer, Mr. Zyron Mar Dagupion. To our Bible bearer, Ashton Zachary Agapay. And our ring bearer, Austin Timothy Agapay. Let us also welcome our flower boys, Jan Faustino D. Baniaga Jr. and Carl Jerick Galia. And of course, we have also our flower girls, Maria Elitalia Felicia Queja, Diana Micaela Ordinel, Jade Marian Dagupion, Mara Kagsini Dagupion, and Amber Simon Agapay. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let us also welcome the parents of the groom, Mr. Honesto Mateo and Mrs. Jovita Bose Mateo. And the parents of the bride, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Fernando Dagupion and Mrs. Rosalie Dagupion. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everybody to please rise as we welcome with a warm applause to our newlywed couple. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct honor and privilege to present to you our newlywed couple, Mr. Mark Mateo and Mrs. Ferlie Dagupion Mateo. Thank you very much. Please be seated. Once again, let us give our loudest applause to the sponsors, the wedding entourage, and of course, the couple, Mr. and Mrs. Mark and Ferlie Mateo. A warm applause, ladies and gentlemen. So we have not reached halfway of the program yet, but pretty sure that some of us are already famished. Gutom na po ba kayo? I guess yes, because it's already 11:30 in the morning na. So maybe in a few minutes, let us all eat. Ayan. So since there are still a lot of exciting activities, which include dancing and surprises in store for us, we need our energy to carry out all the tasks later. So let us all stand as we offer thanksgiving to our Lord for the bountiful banquet we are about to share. Let us all pray in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord God, creator of the universe, Father of us all, we have gathered here today to celebrate the wedding of Mark and Furley. The love and commitment that have united the bride and the groom in a wonderful band of marriage. Bless, Father, this food that we are about to receive with grateful hearts as a sign of your continuous bounty and providence. May your generous blessing descend also upon this newly married couple, their families and friends present here at this joyful banquet. We ask that you would bless them and protect them and fill their lives with your wisdom. We pray that our bride and groom would continually desire to be a heavenly mate. May they be determined to make you the center of their home. We make this prayer in the mighty name of Jesus through the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary, La Virgen Milagrosa de Badoc. Amen. So let us all be seated, and I guess the food is ready. Let's eat. So, to facilitate and observe the order during the buffet, let us all have first, may I request the table one at the left side and the table one at the right side to please be the first one to go to the buffet table and get your food. And followed by the next table and so on and so forth. Thank you very much. Ayan. So as you enjoy your meals, let us be inspired once again, ladies and gentlemen, with the lovely voice of our band artist today, the RNB.
Told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness. Is my troubles next what you do for a moment? It's glory meets the day with hope and comfort too. You fill my life with laughter, somehow you make it better. Is my troubles next what you do? There's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's mine, like the song. And at the end of the day, free should give thanks and pray. See the one, see the one. Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness. Is my troubles next what you do? said I love you? Have I told you there's no one else without you? You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness. It's my trouble steps what to do. Take away all my sadness. You fill my life with gladness. It's my trouble steps. That's what you do.
Hindi ko naman akalain na at di ko rin inaasahan pa na ang tulad mo ay aking makilala. At kung ano ako'y tanggap mo na, hindi ka rin naghalangan pa. Ikaw at ako'y hanggang wakas ay tayo lang dalawa. Palagi kang laman ng isip ko, laman ang bawat panaginip ko. Ikaw lang took for granted, afraid I have you. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking until round. That was just my style. Now I look into your eyes, I can see forever. The search is over. You were with me all the while. Can we last forever? Will we fall apart? At times it's so confusing, the questions of the heart. So if you ever love me, impatiently you'd wait till I came to my senses through some miracle of faith. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking on till love. That was just my style. Now I look into your eyes, I can see forever. The search is over. You were with me all the while. Now the miles stretch out behind me, notes that I have lost, broken hearts like victims of the hate. Then good luck if I was struck like lightning from the blue. Every highway's leading back to you. Now at last I hold you. Now all is said and done. The search has gone for seconds. Our destinies are one. So if you ever love me, show me that you give a damn. You know for certain the girl I really am. I was living for a dream, loving for a moment, taking on till love. That was just my style. When I turned to hand, I could hear you whisper, the search is over. No one's like you. Oh, my suppose I called you up tonight and told you that I love you, and suppose I said I wanna come back home, and suppose I cried and said I think I finally learned my lesson, and I'm tired of spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realize you're all I ever wanted, and it's killing me to be so far away. Would you tell me that you love me too? And would we cry together? Or would you simply laugh at me and say, I told you so? Oh, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. I told you so, but you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. If I got down on my knees and told you I was yours forever, would you get down on yours too and take my hand? Would we get that all-time feeling? Or would we laugh and talk for hours the way we did when our love first began? Would you tell me that you miss me too, and that you've been so lonely, and you waited for the day that I return, and we'd live in love forever, and that I'm your one and only? Or would you say the tables finally turned? Would you say I told you so? Oh, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come crawling back and asking me to take you in. I told you so, but you had to go. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again. Now I found somebody new, and you will never break my heart in two again.
Thank you very much. And let us continue, ladies and gentlemen, our celebration. So as we are still enjoying our meals, this time may we have our attention to our bride to have this special time with the first man in her life. May we request for Mr. Fernando Dagupion, the father of the bride, to approach his daughter for the father and daughter dance. So, Daddy, you may now approach your daughter for your father and daughter dance. Hindi nga. Malapit, basta. Okay, cut. Kanto ka din tayo.
We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why. You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love.
Now I know we can have it all. It's not a way that we can be together once again.
Forevermore, we'll stay in love this way, no matter what they say. Until the end.
You and I, we have moments left to
Moments left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the father and daughter dance. And now, the father gives his daughter to the groom.
You and I, we have moments left to
Moments left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love.
Now I know that we can have it all forever.
Now I know we can have it all forever. Now I know we can have it all forever.
Thank you very much. So at this point, may we request our couple to please proceed to the cakes table. Ladies and gentlemen, please direct our attention to the cakes table. The husband and wife will put their hands together to slice the cake.
All my life for someone like you. You make me feel like I knew,
All because of you.
gotta make this right now, baby. Come and get into your
Life now, baby.
I can be all you wanted to be. When everything's falling, I'll still be here. Should feel that it's fading, I'll still be waiting for you. Only for you.
May we request our caterers to please provide us a slicer of the cake and
Now is the right time.
saucer, please, for the cake, for the wedding cake ceremony. Once again, may I request our caterers to please provide us cake slicer and one saucer and pork for the cake wedding ceremony. So once again, Apo, can we provide a cake slicer, please? Para po makapag-move na tayo for the next part of this wedding reception celebration. Thank you very much.
When everything's falling, I'll still be here. Sure feeling is fading, I'll still be
So the husband and wife will put their hands together to slice their cake. Ayan. The two hands moving as one with one purpose symbolizes that the two will work in unity to reach common goals for their shared future and their life together as one. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm applause to our newlywed couple in the cake cutting ceremony. So you may feed each other.
can be all you wanted to be. When everything's wrong,
So at the count of three, please join me, everybody. At the count of three in 1, 2, and
I'll still be waiting.
again, 1, 2, 3. You may now feed each other.
For you.
Okay. Yes. Congratulations. Thank you very much. So, let us now move on to the wine ceremony. Here it is. Ayan, so once again, may I request everybody to give our attention to our newlywed couple as they are going to have their wine ceremony. And the wine ceremony symbolize and celebrate the blending of your two lives into one. Invite you to perform the wine ceremony. The arms of the couple will intertwine as they drink wine. Ayan, so this ceremony represents your two individual lives, now combined like two glasses wine into one single life. The two glasses wine into one single life, then drinking of the combined wine signifies the commitment you know. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everybody to please join us. So sila na lang. Walang na-prepare sa mga guests natin. So at the count of 3,
Every memory remains. Every step I take with you.
once again,
Every journey
in 1,
always brings me back to you.
2,
After all the storms and storms,
3.
going back to these two hearts, two angels, you've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
It all comes down to me.
I guess it's meant to be forever.
We now come to the releasing of the dog.
After all,
When love is really right,
this time is the only right.
and lives from here to
He changes as he goes, going on to where he grows, but he never disappears. And after all the storms and storms, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels you've been
Ayan, so
rescued from
please be at the center.
And after all that we've been through,
Please join me, everybody, in counting 1, 2,
I guess it's better
wait
to
lang.
be
And 1, 2, and 3. You may release your dog now. Yay! Congratulations and good luck.
You know, needed you to know.
After all, what else is beautiful?
After all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts. Two angels, you can rescue from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
All comes down to me.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. And after all the storms and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts. Two angels, you better rescue from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
All comes down to me.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all.
So at this point in time, ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the one of the most awaited part of our tradition during wedding reception. Of course, the money dance, tay pabitor. So at this juncture, may I request the parents of the bride and the groom to please come in front. Can we provide 4 chairs in front, please, and 2 plates? As tradition dictates, yes, amo ni Sir James no kadagitoy nga tradisyon tayo nga Ilocano. So, ayan. We now come to the money dance, or we called it pabitor. Do we have also our ikamon? Ayan. So, may I request our bridesmaids and our groomsmen to please assist here in front. Iyan na yung basang. So once again, apo, dagiti parents, the groom, and the bride, umay da kung maagtugaw dito sango. And can we provide 2 plates here in front and 1 ikamen if we have. But if we do not have, it's okay. Let's continue our celebration. Thank you very much. Ayan, so at this juncture, we now come to the money dance or the pabitor. So as I call the names of the principal sponsors, please come in front and give everything to our newlywed couple. Ipanyo amin nga binalon yun, kasjay. So ladies and gentlemen, the money dance. Find your purses and wallets. It's now time for our money dance, where you will get your chance to financially bless our couple. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you our newlywed couple to please be at the center for the money dance. As ayan na lagi tayo parents, awan parents na apo. Apay awan parents na. Once again, may I call on the parents of the groom and the bride to please come in front for the money dance. Ayan, so as I call the name of the sponsors, please come in front. First on the list, we have Mr. and Mrs. Jason Bartolome. And to all our friends, relatives, guests, and visitors, you are also invited to come in front to give or to bless our newlywed couple. Next, we have Police Master Sergeant and Mrs. Alvin Rapanan. Barangay Chairman and Mrs. Victor Flores. Mr. and Mrs. Noel Tolentino. Mr. and Mrs. Mario Acosta. Awan mo de pinggan. Mr. and Mrs. Winnie Corpus.
Dagusin kang tuwa sa puyute Naililili kas may sangaw
Mr. and Mrs. Simeon Batara.
iniese Anay puso Anay Nasa
Mr. and Mrs. Alfonso Cortez Jr. Retired Master Sergeant and Mrs. Arsenio R. Manuel Jr. Mr. and Mrs. James Michael Ruiz.
Pamanlaing kanto magari Nagusin kang tuwa sa puyute Naililili kas may sa
Mr. and Mrs. Juan Kalaykay.
Anay puso Anay Nasa
Mr. and Mrs. Juan Kalaykay.
Kanya kapangaralan Nakasiya ang maidasa
Miss Mildred P. Landeza. Miss Mildred P. Landeza.
Nasa nauuna Kanya kapangaralan Nakasiya ang maidasa
Mr. and Mrs. Rudy Palafox. Mr. and Mrs. Rudy Palafox. Next, we have Mr. and Mrs. Wilson Pahinag Jr.
Semaruti sa wera Anday sa mga pagkura Anday sa maraya wera ka Kali sa mga gusto kenta Uray adami kanya kariga Uray kay nuwa kukuntulan Uray kay nuwa kas pasukruga Nuis malapit na wapag maya Isip, unisip ka maniyak ko Lawlawag ka, di ba yung punto Tayo sebo, isip mga
Next, let's also welcome Sangguniang Bayan member Jason Rubio Doctora Alma Rubio. Next, we have Miss Teresita Tabisola. Miss Teresita Tabisola. Mr. and Mrs. Max Bernard Rania. Mr. and Mrs. Reynald Ibarra. Miss Marilu M. Gloria. Mr. and Mrs. Edwin Balungay. Next, we have board member Honorable Jonathan Autoralba. Next, we have Mr. and Mrs. Roman Estoralba. Mr. and Mrs. Roman Estoralba. We have also Mr. and Mrs. Bernardo D. Garcia.
Nagkanasin na diagnong si kaading ay mabubuya. Dagos sa mabang araw.
Mr. and Mrs. Bernardo Garcia.
Hirit na namita-pintas mo. Awan panipadaan.
We have also Mr. and Mrs. Freddy Ragmat. Mr. and Mrs. Freddy Ragmat.
Isip mo ay pudno ama kabiyan. Kasla alinunuta kalit mo.
We have also Mr. and Mrs. Robert Bautista.
Ismo kasla porselan at pangyarigan. Sikat sa buong murmuray da ito'y mata.
Retired Master Surgeon and Mrs. Reynaldo Agpuldo.
Napintas ng oading. Ipatay ko kapag pininaisip.
Mr. and Mrs. Ruben Balbas. Mr. and Mrs. Ruben Balbas.
Nagkarasang gabiyag no si kaading tay mabubuya. Dagos sa mabang arang kaundan tay tuwirik na.
Mr. and Mrs. Domingo Sarmiento.
Ipataan isip mang kayaw dahil ito'y marikirik na. Dahil tangat isisem mo ay putno apagkabiyag. Kasla alinuno takalit mo ako sunada. takutis mo kasla, porselan at pangyayari ka. Sikat sa murmuray na ito'y mata.
Mr. and Mrs. Domingo Sarmiento. So next, we have Mr. and Mrs. Amador Kimangan Sr. Mr. and Mrs. Amador Kimangan Sr.
Di patay ko, tapak pingi nga isip, napintas, kano ati, at lalo't misikat tumistisip, napintas,
Okay, this time, may I request our couple to please move forward. Pasangog kay Basig, siting nga. Ayan. So itatangarot, alapay. Dawatek apo kadagiti partes iti babayaan ken lalakyan taumaydan karuden agi sapiit. Dagiti binalunda nga regalo para kadagiti anak tayo nga naglangkit iti puso na itangal daw. Iti ipakita iti ayat ken suporta tayo apo kadagiti anak tayo nga nagkasar itangal daw. May I request all our friends, our relatives, guests and visitors. Netan, ada na panen. Ala, ingkay ipanamin na apo nga binalo niyo. Once again, dawate kadagiti partes iti lalakyan ken babayan apo. Umaydan ited dagiti So public service muna tayo apo. Ada iti nakabati iti cellphone na umayo alan dito'y sango. Dito nakabati iti cellphone na apo adad to'y sango umayo alan dito'y. Dito nakabati iti cellphone na apo umayo alan dito'y sango. Tayo nakabati ti cellphone na apo Samsung S134. So ayan ituloy tayo latate agsasala ado amo nga ado pay apo dagiti mangted ti ayat kadagiti anak tayo itangal daw. Just continue dancing Ayan. So, dagiti apo nga partes ti lalakyan, umay kay amin na po. Mayo tupak, aminin nga ayat. Kin suporta tayo kadagiti anak tayo ita nga aldaw nga naglantit iti puso na. So, once again, dagiti relatives, friends, guests, and visitors, ni Mark Kiniferly. Ayan, so itultuloy tayo lakta. Amok nga dupay dagiti umay agited. Toka Mestro. So once again apo, ada tinakabati iti cellphone na Samsung Series 134. Umay daalan ti sango apo. So, dito nakabati ti cellphone na apo Samsung S134. Pakikuha na lang po dito sa harap. Thank you very much. Ayan, so just continue dancing, Mark and Furley. Yan. So amok apo nga adupay dagiti nakapila nga umay agi pabitin.
Asya ibabasule Lumarap-rap tayo kinlangin-langin Pasikat na luwag anang baybayan Sa naklamo luwag tuok ka Humanay kata makita na iti maminsan Humanay ken katawaken pa kumusta Uray na nasakit pilit nga awatek Nagpanunutek nga sikat ay ayatek Pelati gumura jaman Imbis nga wenak saan tayo dadanes na Kasta ka di na puno nga agyan
Once again, Apo, lost and found. Samsung S134.
Mga siya ibabasule
Please claim here in front of our reception area. So, tinakabati Apo ti cellphone na umay naalan ito'y sango. Thank you very much.
Sa naklamo tuok ka Humanay kata makita na iti maminsan Humanay ken katawaken pa kumusta Uray na nasakit pilit nga awatek No panunutek nga sakat ay ayatek Bunbunuag ka na kurangam Kasanunga ipatek ko itikas kenta martirak ta puso ayat mo jak marikna patek ko jak marikna tadungom kasanua jak kudet para tuuko pinon mo nuwag na kurkurangam kaniya tirepelak ti gumura jak ipakan imbes ngayon wenang santa indodnes na kasta ka di tinapuno nga agyan baby kasta ka di tinapuno nga agyan darling kasta ka di tinapuno
Ayan, thank you very much. So itatangarod apo intayon bilangin ngem while waiting apo to the announcement no mano iti naited tayo nga regalo ken ayat kadagiti anak tayo. May we have now the dance of the Agabalayan. Ayan, so dawatek apo dagiti Agabalayan ta sa salada this time. May I request the R&B band to please play the Abalayan song. So, ayan na apo dagiti Agabalayan tagsalada kumameten. Ayan yun Abalayan. It's your turn to dance. So once again, palapakan naman natin. Dagito'y apo nga Agabalayan to please be at the dance floor. Ayan, Dan.
Balayan na lalakyan, di ka at pambara na bantukan, ibalikas mo tayo, na sumarisikan. Ay, balayan na babayan, di ka at pambara bantukan, tatay-tatay-tan nilalakyan, sarising na kaslatay kawitan, iturun-turun kapit-kapit, ating nabagasin ikit, ating tumigos na tinaye, ngayon lele.
Okay, so dagitay lang tangaro, the relatives dan apo. So may I request the both relatives of our newlywed couple to please dance.
Abalayan, at inaog naman, pangarang-rasa, pangliwliwa, nagtumpungaan na.
Ayan.
Ay, abalayan, tumaykan, taas sa sala tayo man, tayo rambakan, panagin na balayan. Ay, abalayan, alalakyan, di ka apapar arabantukan, ibanikas mo tayo sa sumarisikan. Ay, abalayan, ababayan, idanenek mong nagkuminta, taday-tanday kang nilalagyan, sa risig lang kaslatay kawitan, iturun-turun kapit-kapit, agin na baga sinike, kapinuligos na tinaye, nga iyan nene. Abalayan, agin na sa taman, gas pamasingit, hintay pa naging abalayan, agin na naman, pangrang-rangsa, pangliwliwa, nagtumpungaan na. Abalayan,
pangliliwag nagtupungaan na.
Sa salatay man, dahil tayo rambakan, panagin na balayan, ay nabalayan na lalakyan, di ka ang pagparanaman lupan, ipanigay mo daima. Sa sumaresikan, ay nabalayan na babayan, iganilig mong nagkumintang, tanay-tanay kang nilalakyan, sa isip lakas natay kawitan, idurong-durong kapit-kapit, atin na magasinigit, ang pinuligos na tinaye, ngariyan lele. Apalayan, alin na sa taman, las pagmasingke, hinta pa naging apalayan, apalayan, at tinaugtaman, pangarap-garap sa pangliliwag, nagtumpungaan na. Ay abalayan tumay ka, taas sa sala tayo man, dahil tayo rambasan, panagin na balayan, ay abalayan na lalakyan, di ka ang pambara na banlukan, ikas mong daima, tasumarisekan, ay abalayan na babayan, iganenek mong pagkumintang, tanay-tanay nilalakyan, sa isip na kastatay kawitan, idurong-durong kapit-kapit, akin na baga sinigit, at pinuligos ng tinaye, nga iyan nene.
Thank you very much. Ayan, so let's continue the celebration, ladies and gentlemen. Before we are going to proceed the wedding messages, and before we are going to listen to the message of our newlywed couple, agsasala tayo apo because may I check my clock? So it is still 12:36 in the afternoon. So may we have a dance number again this time? I guess the traditional Lakota. So may I request everybody, most especially apo dagiti padak nga babakit, nga nalaing nga aglahota o padak nga babakit. So ayan, agsasala tayo amin apo, most especially to our guests and visitors. But this time may I also would like to acknowledge and say thank you to our artists, our makeup artists. I guess we have here Miss Cara and Sir Christian. Thank you very much for gracing this celebration. Ayan. Palagpakan naman natin sila, our artists, our makeup artists, and our, of course, the designer of the dress of our couple. Ayan, so agsasala tayo nga rod. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a lakota this time. And maybe next will be the dayang-dayang. Ayan. Go! Cara and Christian, you may also join the dance. Go girls! Bawal po ang KJ. Calling our photographer, please come in front. Ayan, so thank you very much, Apo Dagiti Nalalaing Lakota dancers. Let's just continue dancing. This time, let's have also a rack number naman this time para naman mas masaya. Ayan, so rock-rockan na this time. Dagiti Apo nga nabatbati pa lang Apo nga partes ti lalakyan. I guess we are still here. Dagiti partes ti babayaan. Agsasala tayo nga rodwen. Okay. So may I request the famous R&B to please play a fast beat number for everybody. Before I'm going to announce the total money that we gave to our newlywed couple. Wow, nagadua. It's hundreds of thousands. Oh, di ba? Sana all. Sana all my 100,000. Okay, let's dance!
Give me your attention, baby.
Baby,
Cara, Christian, go!
You're wonderful, flawless, so you're sexy lady.
sexy lady.
But you walk like you wanna be someone else. Oh, wow. Know that you don't know it, but you find so fine.
Fine, so fine.
Oh, wow. Girl, I wanna show you when you're mine, oh, mine. Mine, oh, mine. Treasure. That is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure. Oh, oh, oh. Pretty girl, you should smile it. A girl like you should never look so blue. You'll never see my dreams. I won't tell you that too if it wasn't true. Oh, wow. Know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Oh, wow. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh, mine. Mine, oh, mine. Treasure. That is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure. Oh, oh, oh. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. Yeah, you are treasure. That is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Yes.
Ayan. So, awo mo nagsala. So, this time, harot inteng harot buyaon. So, since it is still early, time check, it's 12:46. Inteng harot buyaon dagiti R&B apo in their extraordinary performance. Ayan. So, extraordinary Pang world class na to. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, may we give a warm applause to the very famous R&B band. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Palakpak naman kayo. Ano ba? Ang mahal-mahal kaya ng combo.
Ya la había montado lo que besa, ya está todo preparado que de comebón. Melina fina butande entre panda festa. Me diga más tarde con el bandesa. Gata maliga más tarde balada. Que repartir como de droga da danzar, volar, anteo soledad. Gata maliga más tarde balada. Que repartir como de droga da danzar, volar. Que hoy va a volar. Gustavo Lima Ivo Gustavo Lima Ivo Si você vai orar Vou querer te pegar E depois namorar Contigo Que vou levar ao lado Gata maliga, mais tarde balada Quero partir com você de madrugada Dançar, volar Até a soledad Gata maliga, mais tarde balada Quero partir com você de madrugada Dançar, volar Que vou levar ao lado Gustavo Lima Ivo Gustavo Ivo e você Gata maliga, mais tarde balada Quero curtir com você de madrugada Dançar, volar Que vou levar ao lar Gata maliga, mais tarde balada Quero curtir com você de madrugada Dançar, volar Que vou levar ao lar Gustavo Lima Ivo Gustavo Lima Ivo Se você me olhar Vou querer te pegar E depois namorar Curtir tchau Vou levar orar Gata maliga, mais tarde balada Quero curtir com você de madrugada Dançar, volar Até o soledad Gata maliga, mais tarde balada Quero curtir com você de madrugada Dançar, volar Que vou levar orar Gustavo Lima Ivo Gustavo Lima e você Gustavo Lima Ivo
All right. Thank you. thank you so much.
Palakpak naman kayo dyan. So, pag inanaanda po, it's time to announce the total money we gave to our newlywed couple. So, here it is. So, hulaan nyo, may 1,000 pesos kayo. Ano ka mangtod? Except apo dagiti auditor tayo kanina ha. So the total peso money, we have 104,020 pesos. 104,20 pesos. Ayan, 104,020. And we have also US dollar. We have $120. So maybe around 110,000. Palagpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili. Ayan. Thank you very much and congratulations. And let's continue, ladies and gentlemen, the celebration since we still have more time to have the celebration. May we again ask from the R&B band to give us again another, I guess it's a fast beat song again for everybody. Agsasala kami apo. It's a rock naman again. So do you have any request, your love song from our newlywed? Ano? So may nag-request. Wait lang po, may request daw. Ano yon? Ay, may request si groom, Angel Baby daw. Oh, di ba? Ayun pala ang team song nyo ha. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Inggit naman ako. Oh, Cara, di ba? May Angel Baby, may pa-Angel Baby. So, palakpakan naman natin ang ating groom sa pa-request niyang Angel Baby. Sana all may baby. Okay? Maestro, toka.
I need a love to keep me sane. Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play with the glasses, so the romance. Give me my all when I don't even have it. I always dream of a solid face. Someone who feels like a holiday. Now I'm pieces, I barely believe. Starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out of blue on a rainy night. No lie, I'll tell you how I almost died. Why you bring me back to life? I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid the living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the world forever. Until you gave up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby. You're my angel, angel baby. I fall in love with the little things, counting the tattoos on your skin. Tell me secret, baby I'll keep it. And maybe we could play house for the weekend. You came out of blue on a rainy night. No lie, I'll tell you how I almost died. Why you bring me back to life? I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid the living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the road forever. Until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby. You're my angel, angel baby. All the secret dreams and night that I've been waiting afraid of leaving, couldn't get any better. Started giving all on the road forever. Until you give up heaven so we could be together. Oh, my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby, angel. You're my angel, baby, baby, you're my angel, angel, baby, angel, angel, baby.
Ayan, palakpak naman kayo dyan. So, may request po si Groom. Alam nyo kasi nung ano pang siya, binata, crush ko na siya, di ba? So, may reveal talaga. Hi, Kara. So, may request si Groom. Agkanta ka man, sir, ko na hindi na ako kumakanta, nag-level up na, nag-hosting na, pero as my gift, my simple gift to you, okay, pagbigyan. Sir, agkanta ka no? Okay, please. Pasensya na. Okay, Mark, this is for you and for everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, the singing host.
Help me pag medyo nakalimutan ang lyrics. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we are to stay or heading out the door. Just once, can you figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last more than just one night. If we could just get through it, I know we could break through it. I gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. Seems we're always blowing whatever we've got going. And it seems at times that all we've got, we haven't got a break. Yeah, just once, can you figure out what we've been doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Oh, to make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get through it just once. I want to prophesy Ayan.
Wow!
Thank
Talaga
you.
naman, si Mistro.
When, ang praktisak lang because you know,
Isa pa, isa pa.
ada ngamin iti idol ko nga the singing host ko na dito ho-host nga Becky nga nalaing I guess nakikita niyo po sa Facebook or the social media ang galing niya kaya he is my inspiration and my idol tingnan niyo na lang Mark I guess tinagan na so it's so happen nga Mark dito agkasar thank you for the request so okay so let's continue our celebration. Let's listen again to our famous R&B in there again. Kahit ano na, basta makapaayayo ka na gito apong adapay lang ang audience tayo and guests. Thank you.
Another night slowly closes in, and I feel so lonely. Such a heat freezing on my skin. I pretend you still hold me. I'm going crazy. I'm losing this sleep. I'm in too far. I'm in way too deep. Over you, I can't believe you're gone. You are the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whatever you need to move on, to let your heart and head apart. Remember after the fall, after all the rain, I will be the flame. I will be the flame. Watching shadows move across the wall, it feels so frightening. I wanna run to you, I wanna call, but I've been hit by lightning. Just can't stand up for falling apart. Can't see through this spell across my heart. Oh, but you always be the one. You are the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be you were the first to be the last. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whatever you need, someone to lay your head upon. Remember, I need a fire after all the rain. I will be there for I will be there for wherever you go. I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whatever you go, I'll be with you.
Thank you very much. And before we end up or before we proceed to the closing remarks or the words of gratitude, may I request some or any members or relatives or friends